couple weeks ago, there was a post on a Facebook page that's in my community. It was people asking for anyone who had unused N95 masks or personal protective equipment to donate that if they had access to it. Watching all the news and seeing all these people come out of the woodworks just saying, hey, we work in healthcare, we don't have this, and then just seeing the numbers rise from this pandemic, and they don't have what they need to keep themselves safe. So I started doing some research on making face shields. My administration was awesome. They let me check out 2 of the 3D printers. So I got 2 up and running, and I keep those going nonstop. I delivered 2 batches of 15 to 2 different people who were bringing them to their facilities. And then the next day I got calls for more because, they really liked the design, they were effective, and they needed more. So at that point I realized, 2 3D printers wasn't going to be enough. So I reached out to the other technology teachers in Manatee County, and I was able to get 3 more 3D printers to check out. So now I have 5 running in my house almost around the clock. A couple other schools jumped in. Braden River Middle jumped in, Nolan, Johnson. 2 printers I got from Hale, 1 from Gene Witt Elementary. You see so many negative things, and there's people who are scared about the pandemic, and yet you see all these people who, despite their fear, despite their struggles, they're deciding to jump in and try to do something. And that's just such a testament to the caliber of people we have. As a community, as a county, as a school district, as a nation. It's really refreshing. I'm going to borrow from an old saying, I'm not sure who initially coined it, but you can't do everything, but everyone can do something. So look for an opportunity to help. Look for those opportunities to help people, because we truly are all in this together. I am the school district of Manatee County.
Join us at wemanatee.net.